Hello everyone. Let's discuss about the applications of the logic gates. The design and maintenance of the digital computer are greatly facilitated by the use of Boolean algebra and logic circuits. Logic networks are designed making use of logic gates. Say, logic gates have several application to the computer. These are used in following useful applications like adder, half or full, encoder, decoder. Okay, let's start with the adder here. Adders, we are familiar with ALU, arithmetic logic unit, which performs all the arithmetic and logic operations, but the ALU do not process decimal numbers. They process the binary numbers. Thus, the adder in ALU also work on the binary numbers. Before we get into the detail, you all you need to know is the rules for binary addition, which is given below. Like 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 0, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 1, where 0 is the sum and 1 is the carry. Here 1 is the sum and 1 is the carry. See the result having two bits. Right bit uh, gives you the sum and left bit gives you the carry, right, as I told you. Half adder, if it is a logic circuit that adds two bits, it produces the output sum and carry. The boolean इक्वेशंस फॉर द सम एंड कैरीज आर, सम के लिए हमने ये यूज़ किया है दिस इज एक्सॉर, और हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया है एक्स डॉट वाई. तो दिस इज एक्स एक्स और वाई, राइट, एंड दिस इज एक्स एंड वाई. ओके, जैसे कि आपको यहाँ दिया हुआ है. ओके, दिस इज दिस एंड दिस इज दिस. ऑलराइट, therefore the sum produces 1 when x and y are different and carries 1 when x and y both are ones. Truth table of half adder is given below here. So this is the half adder of the truth table of the half adder, which is like this. तो 0 plus 0 is carry, ये आउटपुट आ गया यहाँ पे carry and sum. 0 0 0 plus 1 0 and 1, 1 plus 0 1 0 and 1, 1 plus 1 1 and 0. Logic circuit of half adder has given in figure 2.14 is like this. This is your half circuits logic diagram. ठीक है, ये आप देख सकते हैं. दिस इज योर x XOR y and this is your x dot y. Fine, just like this. Alright, application of the half adder is limited as only 2 bits can add it. Instead we need a circuit that can add 3 bits at a time. Full adder, it is a logic circuit that can add 3 bits. It produces two outputs, sum and carry. The Boolean equations for the sum and carry are like this: x और y, x और c, और carry के लिए x dot y plus x y dot z and x dot z dot x, right. तो x और y x और z, x y और zx. Therefore, sum produces 1 when output is containing odd numbers of ones, and carry is 1 when there are two or more one is in input. It's like this. Okay, so sum 0 0 0, carry is 0 and sum is 0 is like this. So this is given your, this is your truth table is given here, and this is the logic diagram which is given here of your full adder. तो फॉर सम इज़ वेरी सिंपल, यू हैव टू पुट ऑल थ्री इनपुट्स इन एन एक्सॉर, जिससे कि आपको सम मिल जाएगा। और फिर उसके बाद एंड बनाने हैं तीन, जिसमें एक में एक्स वाई, एक में वाई जेड और एक में जेड एक्स। एक्स वाई जेड एक्स इस तरीके से आप लेके चल रहे हैं और एक्स और कैरी। ऑलराइट।